Viewers, subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Click the bell icon for a notification whenever a video is uploaded. So people, me know all I want by now maybe hear the phone call or the boy call the police station and I say more how much million, and the police them for release some alleged gang member of Ray and this and that. So people, the police them all up on the boy. The police them all him people. The police them all up on him. Zin. So right now them have him. What a dumb boy. What a boy dumb. And fool. So as me telling no people, me no feel like say nobody connected to the DJ or nobody were even in the gang where my say boy him represent and Ray. So swift action by the police led to the arrest of a teenager in connection with the threats issued to the police via phone call demanding the release of a prisoner and over few $1 million in cash. Me have to laugh, people. The teenager was arrested in Galchester less than a day no pass and they hold on upon him. After the threats were made. My yo, people, me I tell you, yo, some people just idle and foolish. And that me put it as idle and foolish, man. Nothing, him not have nothing to do more than to create mischief. And you see it? Them say the devil find work get idle hands. So he might go pay some price right now. He might go sit down for a good look a while because I threaten him threat now a terrorist threat that people. And a normal threat that So when I go hear the charges them where them are gonna lay against him. So me I go make case and go no all of them the once it drop. You know what I mean? Me I go share because when I go hear the long length of charges where I go get. Zin? Terrorist threat that people. And I demand rants money. And you hear what him say? Him saying in the video say yo, him not afraid for come at the station because him ready for Ray and no. Him no business. Them can dash him when him no care. You see what I say? So I might take up him phone and have credit for waste and call the police them to make mischief and know him in a them. Yo, me say John was time me should have know him for laugh after him look rotted. You see me? Me should have know him for laugh after him. Boy, me I tell you people, you see it? No stay far from trouble, yeah, man, because me I go tell you something. You see trouble? Easy to get in, but it's hard to come out. I always hear that saying there. Trouble easy to get into, but it is very hard. You know what I mean? To get out of it. So me no see nobody will see trouble and walk in it. You see it? Maybe him never know say boy, them coulda trace him phone number. Maybe him never know that he's so foolish and dumb. Him no know say boy them coulda trace him phone number and find which part him there. The time I take call police and tell them Ray, him coulda do some farming cause Galchester him come from. Boy, me I tell him. Man, we can't wait for them release him. Oh, them not gonna release him identity because you know what I mean. Him no reach half age yet certain way. But me no feel like them are gonna give him name either. You see me? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And people, there's a very touchy subject. Let me see I circulate on social media. You know what I mean? Not really circulate on social media. I see a lot of articles about some things who are going to the youth them. You know what I mean? The baby them. You see me? I say what them I say stepfather this and father this and grandfather this. You know what I mean? I touch the youth them. You see me? I say me see an article where a daycare worker son, you know what I mean, do something to a youth where him didn't even reach a handful yet. And me I said Jano Star. And people, As a parents, I go tell you something. Parents need to have conversations with their children. You see me I say guardian need to have conversation with who them have guardianship over and so on and so forth. If you have no youth to grow up, you know what I mean, where you responsible for, you need to have conversation with them. Let them know right from wrong. You see me I say? And growing up, a lot of us parents never talk to you about certain things because them things say boy a grown folks thing. Kids not hear about them something there. And somehow we are out a road we got hear about them something there. You know what I mean? And find out certain things for ourselves. You see me? Now a different time, either right in the youth them face. And if you not tell them are gonna get influenced by what them sip on the net and by who them are around. Show them what is right from what is wrong. Have that uncomfortable conversation with them. Me say uncomfortable, because reason why I say uncomfortable because enough people think say boy that is a taboo. You know what I mean? Conversation to have with the youth them. In a sense where it kinda uncomfortable for some parents to talk to them. No, you know if you go so. Because if you not teach them, how them are gonna know? How them are gonna know what to do and what not to do? You see me? And the father them, the stepfather and the grandfather them were in the house them and through a lockdown time, you know, them true character and them true self are revealed. People are find out where them are going with long time now because people never did their home so much, but them home now and them find out where them are going with the youth them. So, you are going to make sure say, as a parent, you talk to the youth them, question them. You know what I mean? Make them comfortable to come to you about any and everything. You know what I mean? Because you have to protect the youth them, you know. You see me I say? Especially the girl them. You have to protect them. Because no for them man yeah, them not easy. You see it so. Remember me telling you have that conversation there with no youth, with no boy pitney, with no girl pitney. Make sure you have that conversation there with them. The conversation about the bird and the bees, if you don't understand what I mean. About sex and the boss, you know what I mean? Them something there. And what to do and what not to do. And about protection and all of them something there. You see me? Because them a grow up, remember say them not grow down, them a grow up. So talk to them about right from wrong. And enough of them things you are going on in a society where the youth them are kill off the woman them and them something there. You know what I mean? Show your youth them love and make them know say yo, if certain things not go right, you can't leave. You know what I mean? Or a person can't. If you don't understand what I mean, you know what I mean? Have certain conversation with the youth them so that them certain things grow up in them and them know say yo, certain things them not to do. So people, bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and also subscribe until me upload the next video.